Just one push off and that's all we need, and we are on our way. So, overall, high quality made scooter. Gonna make an amazing gift. Are you looking for that perfect gift this Christmas season? Well, take no further look. You guys have found an awesome scooter. So my friends, it's got really cool effects on here with multiple different modes. You have your back braking. So you put your foot on the back here, and that's how you brake. You got your nice little kickstand. This offers emergency reflective tape all around. Because of the craftsmanship, this unit gears are built that it glides like butter. Consider this like a sled on ice. This thing just flows. All you do is you tap the button to get started. What an amazing Christmas gift this would make. Now, as a parent, you might be wondering, is it hard to put together? Well, it took me 5 minutes to put this together. So this whole thing came complete. The wheels were already on. All we had to do was put this on and the bar up top on. And that was just so simple. Super easy. You can adjust this. So if you have a child that is shorter, you can press. So open this up by pulling on this lever. Then press this and push the bar down or higher. Make sure you pull the lever back to keep it on tight. And yes, it is strong enough for an adult. As you can see, one push off and it easily glides like butter.